Hey guys, welcome back to Shona Land. In this video, I'll be teaching you the phrase how much in Shona. Okay, so the phrase how much in Shona, it's imari, imari, imari. So to respond to that, if someone says how much, so let's say if someone's saying how much is this, so you can respond by saying chinoita $5, or you can say inoita $5. So it's contextual, it depends with what you'll be referring to. Let's say if it's bread and someone is asking imari, and then you say chinoita $5, you just specify the amount or the price of the thing. So if we go, how much is this in Shona? Chinoita mari, chinoita mari, or it can be inoita mari. It also depends with what you'll be referring to, but in this case, let's say we are referring to bread, which is chingwa in Shona. So if someone says how much is this, you can say chinoita mari in Shona, and to respond you can just simply say chinoita $5 or chinoita dollar, or whatever the price is. Okay, so how much, it's imari in Shona. How much is this is chinoita mari, and then you can simply respond by saying chinoita $5 or chinoita dollar, depending on the price of the thing. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments. We will definitely respond to your comments if you leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Ndatenda.